So guys, my video had short cut off because I came to the end of my story, so I'm gonna make this quick. So flash forward to make this short. This same teacher that pointed my daughter's extensions out, a month later sent my daughter's whole individual education learning plan, to every single student, every single staff, every single person at the high school that had an email. This one teacher did that. I will not say her name for the sake of why, I don't know, because I don't know why she should have rights, but I won't say her name. We'll call her Mrs. Johnson. So Mrs. Johnson, who according to, because I went the distance to find out why this had been done, I went to the state of Massachusetts Board of Education and even filed a report about this, and they told me basically that that high school had dropped the ball. This particular teacher that we are calling Mrs. Johnson, and Mrs. Johnson, who had extensive learning, education, and everything else in IEP, disbursement, education, giving it out, whatever needed to be done. She had been trained in full extension. But how funny did a month later, after she was, quote, had to apologize for embarrassing my black daughter in a class of predominantly white children, calling her hair fake, did this same teacher send out my daughter's IEP. So what I'm going to end this video by saying is, where I live at in the state of Massachusetts, the town of Hudson, Mass, the school has treated my daughter wrong. They continue to treat my child wrong. They continue to do things that are not acceptable as far as I'm concerned when it comes to my child, as far as what they would do with other children, especially sensitively not speaking, because they're not being sensitive, where their employee messed my child up. And let me also say, the reason why I'm posting this video is because of this lady's lack of responsibilities or being held responsible. My child suffered mental health issues. My child has to go to counseling. My child has had issues, still has issues with the fact, exactly, that a woman that's supposed to protect her, look out for her and watch over her, sent all her personal business, including address and everything else, to everyone in the school with the email. Couldn't sleep at night for days. Wouldn't eat. Lost a total of almost 100 pounds in less than 2 months. That's facts. Okay? Now, when she gained the weight back, my same child is being bullied at that same school because she gained weight, because she's on medication to make her feel relaxed in a school where she has no choice to be, because we live here. And her homeschooling has ran out. They won't let her be homeschooled. So anybody watching this video, and please, I beg of you, I ask of you, please share again, share quadruple, share triple, and keep sharing this video until it reaches somebody to help my family, my child, my daughter, or another black family that attends that high school. Or any high school in the state, in the United States of America, where they live in the suburbs and there's only so many blacks, because we want to have a better education. So we feel like, well, we'll live in the suburbs. No disrespect to anybody, because I lived in the city too. Okay, let's go there. I don't want nobody to feel offended. I've been through poverty. I still go through things. So I'm no better or bigger than anybody. So if somebody be like, oh, well, no, I've been there. I've done it. I've been there again and done it again and been back. There's a story. There's a video. Watch it. But at the end of the day, when it comes to my children and my family, there's a line that should not be crossed. It's respect. It's fairness.